Hi guys, and today we are on chapter 4, lesson 2. Today we're going to be learning about how to multiply fractions and whole numbers using area models and using an equation. Okay, so multiply a whole number by a fraction. So that is what we're learning, and this is kind of how it explains how to do it. So in words, write the whole number as a fraction simply by multiplying the numerators and multiplying the denominators. So down here, like I explained in lesson 1, you are going to put a 1 under the 5, okay? And then you're going to just multiply across and then simplify, okay? Simplify is the key thing, because if you do not simplify this, it is wrong. So 15 over 4 would be considered wrong, all right? And we'll go into more about how to simplify it in a minute, all right? All right, so find 2 times 2/5, okay? So we are not estimating this, okay? So we are just multiplying across. So we're going to put 2 over 1 times 2 over 5, okay? And we're going to just multiply straight across, okay? No crisscross, no nothing, just straight across. So 2 times 2 is 4, and then 1 times 5 is 5. So our answer would be 2/5. Sorry, 4/5. Whoa, I can't read, all right? All right, our next problem is 3/5 times 4, okay? So we have 3 over 5, okay, times 4 over 1. Now, it does not matter what order they are in, okay? No matter what, this whole number is always going to have a 1 under it, okay? If the whole number is first, it's going to have a 1 under it. If it's second, it's going to have a 1 under it. So, again, we're going to multiply across. So 3 times 4 is 12, okay? 5 times 1 is 5, all right? So now, since we have it in this form, okay, this is called an improper fraction, okay? An improper fraction is when you have numbers that are bigger on top than the bottom, all right? And to figure out how to do this, how to make it into a mixed number, which is going to be a big whole number, and then a number, and then a smaller number on, or a small number on top, small number on the bottom. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to do 12 divided by 5, which then we're going to get 2, and then we're going to have remainder 2, okay? So what you're going to do is you are going to have a whole number here, okay, whole number, and then remainder, and then the denominator, okay? So the denominator is this bottom number. So what we're going to do is we're going to have 2 whole times, 5 can go into 12, okay? Remainder is 2, and then our denominator is 5, okay? So that is how we can do that. Or if you know that 5 can go into 12 2 whole times, okay, with 2 left over, then you have the same answer. So the right answer for 3/5 times 4 is going to be 2 and 2/5, right? Example 3, okay, so we have 1/4 times 5 over 4, sorry, 5 over 1, ooh, that's supposed to be a 1, okay? So, if we multiply across, we're going to have 5 over 4. Again, what you're going to do is you can either A, put it in the box, so 5 is going to go in the box, 4 is going to go on the outside, 4 goes into 5 one whole time, okay, with a remainder of 1, okay? Which, like our other problem, we put the big whole number, okay, remainder, and then our denominator. Our denominator always stays the same. It will never change, okay? So whatever this bottom number is, it will stay the same, all right? So our answer then would be 1 and 1/4. Or, like I said last time, if you know that 4 goes into 5 one whole time with 1 left over, then you just put the 4 on the bottom, all right? So here's a word problem. A sloth spends 4/5 of its life asleep. If a sloth lives to be 28 years old, how many years does it spend asleep? So we're going to put these in order. So we have 4/5 times 28. Okay. Remember, when we have a whole number, we have to put it over 1. So I'm going to rewrite this problem as 4/5 times 28 over 1. All right, now I'm going to multiply going straight across. So we have 28 times 4, which I don't know what that is. So I'm going to multiply it out here and get 112. Okay, so I have 112 over 5. Okay, now I don't know how many times 5 goes into 112, so I'm going to put 112 in the box. Okay, any number that's on top goes in the box. Okay, 5 goes on the outside, so 5 goes into 11 2 times, which is going to be 10, and then 12, and then again 2 again, which is going to be 10 with a remainder of 2. So my answer is going to be 22 and 2/5. All right, remember, whole number, remainder, and then denominator. Denominator stays the same no matter what. All right. If you guys need any extra help, please let me know. Here's my email at eggertc@beardstown.com or my phone number if you need anything. You can also message me on Google Hangouts, or you can look back at this video or at the notes. All right. Thank you.